We just bought this view.
Renovating the Orange Park house. Hello, gorgeous friends. Today is so exciting because you're going to get to see from start to finish this house that my husband Scott and I decided to flip. If you are new to the channel and love anything related to home, welcome. And of course, if you are back, thank you, sweet friend, for coming back each week. If you love all things related to the house, you should definitely hit that subscribe button because you're in a great place and we cover all kinds of things. This was a new project for Scott and I. We fell upon this house, such a good steal of a deal that we couldn't resist it. We thought, well, we've always wanted to try to flip a house, so let's do it. And let me confess, at the beginning of this, we were not sure if we were gonna flip or if we were going to renovate to rent it, kind of as part of our future retirement, which we're not close to yet, although we wish we were. So we're just thrilled that you're here today, and I can't wait to show you the last several weekends. We've been pushing hard to finish all the details. Today I'm gonna walk you through and explain everything we did. You're also gonna see the process, of course, and I thought it would be really fun to show you the home staged. I personally did not stage it. I'm super excited about being able to see that result, and our realtor is amazing, and it's just part of his deal. He has stagers and he believes it will sell a house much faster. So we'll see. I'm really excited. I think my biggest happy impact is the kitchen by far. Do you guys remember how nasty it was? So bad. And anyway, so get comfortable and cozy from your home as we invite you into sort of our home that we are going to sell. So if you're in the market in Orange Park, Florida, this would be a great home for a small family, a couple, newlyweds, tired, someone in the military. It's super close to the base. So there's my little shameless plug. Let's go renovate this house to flip it.
Let's take a look at the before. Nothing very exciting, and a lot of stuff we had to get rid of, especially that cowboy wine holder. It was a family affair. My mom even helped us, Nathan and Cassidy and myself. We tore out that old nasty carpet so that we can install the new laminate flooring. We decided to go with a laminate because it is a lot less expensive. And while we didn't have flooring, we took advantage of painting the ceiling, of course. I am staining some transition pieces because we did keep the kitchen floor since it would help save money, and the white tile was not offensive at all. I had to use 3 different colors in order to match that laminate floor, but I really do love how it turned out. Here's the before. And I think my favorite part of the after are the door and window trim. I love how that turned out. I love that I used 2 different shades of white. I wasn't sure how that was gonna go, but I really like how it turned out. And the staging was pretty great too. I did end up moving some furniture and restyling some things. My realtor said it was okay, and of course, as you know, I could not help myself. But let's move on to the kitchen. Ew, the yellow walls, the bugs that were in the walls. Can we just talk about that? It was so nasty. And look at the kitchen, you guys. It's crazy. Totally gutted. Nice yellow walls, huh? And all of the kitchen really started in Green Cove Springs with my dad building the cabinets for us. Scott helped, of course, and he installed all of them, but my dad is the master behind all of the maple wood, solid, beautiful cabinets. I haven't hung a tile backsplash in years, you guys. With Free Spirit Designs, I used to always work side by side with Scott, and it's been a while, but I had a lot of fun. I will confess I was very sore. Grouting and hanging tile worked muscles in my arms and fingers that I don't work on the daily. So I love how it turned out.
Finishing up
Yeah.
on the backsplash.
And then we have to do this one over here. But the tile's not in. This is all we had left, so we had to order 2 more boxes.
Shout out to Jet's Pizza for the best pizza in all of Orange Park.
The white, we decided to go with white because it's just so timeless and most people will like the white. It's one of those things when you're doing a flip, which we've never done before, we just wanted to be mindful. Gotta guess if there's no water left, according to this guy.
Look over here. Is it a good? But
let's take a good look at the before together and after, you guys. I'm so grateful. I'm just really proud of this kitchen. I think it's pretty amazing. And over here, they just had a dining room table and a ceiling fan. It's kind of gross. And to me, it needed a pantry. There was no pantry. So those large cabinets to the left are pantry. I thought the floating shelves would look really pretty, especially because you see the kitchen as soon as you walk in the front door. So instead of moving the fridge to there, we thought, let's do some beautiful cabinetry. The ceiling was bellying is because of these bowed boards, and then they replaced them. The paneling is down. It already looks better without the paneling.
Come show me how to do it.
Glue down and a sponge. 1, 2. Wipe.
This, remember this big stupid closet that was here? I mean, it's really opens up the room so much. I think the challenge of selling this house might be the fact that there's only this one full bathroom, but hopefully not.
Hi, honey.
So this glass is being recycled from a client job, and we thought it would definitely modernize the bathtub that we're recycling. There it is. Looks so good. It used to be gold. I spray painted it black to match all the other hardware that's going in the bathroom. So, guys, we're closing in. I really love the black tile on the floor and the details of, again, the contrast of the paint color. I went with black finishes. That was my realtor's suggestion. So we went with it. That's what he does for a living. Half glass, even though we didn't replace the tub or the tile, I thought it would definitely kind of give it a more upscale feel.
Today at Orange Park, we meaning the kids, did all the yard work today. We had some friends help us. Shout out to Justin and Rebecca. First off, I just want to say the yard before this was a total disaster. Still not done, there's still work to do. For the most part, we cut all the grass, trimmed the bushes around the tree. Final day in Orange Park. We're just gonna, and I'm gonna show you guys. So first I power washed all this. Don't mind that because it was like, ignore that. So power washed as best as I could right there. And then now we take a trip on the path. Again, very difficult to power wash all of this, but we did it. Then we come over here, I power washed all this. Also very difficult to power wash. And then did this down here. And I didn't miss a spot. It was just, the way that they put the tiles in, it goes at an angle because that's like a hill, so the water just comes back down, and this goes down, so it literally just sits there, so all the water sat there and I couldn't do anything. We're gonna see what Scotty's doing over here. There you go. Scotty's power washing. We got a bunch of hands on deck today. Good Grams. We're with Free Spirit herself, Free Spirit. What are your thoughts on closing in on this house?
It's very exciting. I'm so grateful.
You heard it from her. You heard it from her, folks.
We're just gonna lightly spray paint so that it looks cleaner and better. Just me and Mom here the last day.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope that you are inspired to know that you can do something like this. I just want to encourage you to take a chance, to believe in yourself. And you know, Scott and I were not sure about this, and we did have to sacrifice truly like liquidating what we thought our future retirement was. And then we decided, well, let's just take a chance and flip a house. And I know it's going to be profitable. We're trusting the Lord that it's going to sell quickly. It is officially on the market and it is very exciting. But it was a lot of work. We did decide, you know, if one of these fall on our lap again, we would totally do another house flip. And this also taught me that I think I would love to dabble in the world of staging homes too, but we'll see. Of course, please subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss any of those things or maybe future projects. We do have something in the works. We are very excited to share the next chapter with you about, we're kind of keeping it a little secret and under wraps right now, but we do have a plan once this home sells, what we are doing with the profits. And we cannot wait to share that with you guys. So be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. And next week, you guys, we are going to have a blast decorating the house for Easter and spring inspiration. I'm super excited about that. So please don't forget to come back. I love you guys. We can't do the channel without you. Have a great week.